If you find your customers on social media, then you're very likely going to want to add your quiz to your link in bio. Here's how you can do that on StanStore. Sign in to your StanStore account. Click on My Store, and then click on Add Product. Now head over to your Interact account, and for the quiz that you're wanting to share in your link in bio, click on Share and Embed. From here, copy the link to your quiz. If you don't have a quiz yet, head over to ai.tryinteract.com to make a quiz with AI. Back in StanStore, choose the external link URL option for your product. And now you'll complete the product information. So here I can paste in the link to my quiz. In the heading section, I can use the quiz title. In the subheading section, I like to use the quiz description. And I'll change the button to say, Find Out Now. You can choose an image. Here's a preview of what your product will look like. And once it's to your liking, click on Publish. Now you'll simply copy the link to your store and share it in your link in bio. Or if it's already shared, once you publish, go check it out and you'll see your quiz now appear.